boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Boots on the ground, my friends. I'm out on location, my friends. I'm at the Las Vegas Raiders training facility. Now, they're just fixing this facility. As you guys know, we did a report last year when we were looking at the rare earth minerals. And I want to take a look at some rare earth here in a second. I want to look at one of our baby knockouts now that we identified at 20 cents. That's now over $1, $1.30, $1.40, what have you. And it's going to be moving up more because they had some big news. I'll tell you about that in a second. But as you know, my friends, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. Get books like Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. Companies to get in early, hold, and grow rich. My friends, you're on location and you're in the elements, my friends. Yeah, it's pretty warm out here, my friends. We're talking 108 degrees. Today is what the weathermen are saying, and weather women are saying, 108 degrees. We're also looking at, what, about 42 degrees Celsius, that is, my friends. I wanted to bring you some information, though. Thank you, Richard Nielsen, and Megan. Thank you for your donations. PayPal at Button Air is alive and well. We really appreciate it. It really helps the channel, my friends. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. I appreciate you guys. It's free. Boom, hit that thumbs up. You know, it helps the algorithm. It helps our videos, like these videos that I'm going to tell you about here that no one really saw when we were talking about rare earth elements, my friends. With COVID-19, we see how vulnerable our rare earth supply chain is when you depend on places like China, places like Kazakhstan, you know, that aren't really friends of America, my friends. They are not really our friends. In fact, some people call them frenemies. Is that what you call a friend enemy, my friend? Like what's going on in America? You guys, wherever you are, I know you guys are really all over the world. Thank you very much. New subscribers out there. There are so many of you. You guys know what's going on in America right now when it comes to politics and when it comes to African-American men, black men like me. You guys have seen the videos. You know what's going on. You know, hey, all over America and all over the world, man, we should not tolerate this. This is really crazy. I'm not a political show, and I hate to get into politics and stuff and what's going on with COVID-19 and what's happening and stuff, but hey, it's going on. Raiders, baby! Where you from, my man? Oh, you from Oaktown, huh? Yeah. All right. Well, I'm live. I'm on the air right now.
What's your name? I'll give you a follow.
Mickey D. We do the Scoop.
The Scoop?
Yeah, and we're working right now we do stocks, and we do marijuana stocks and gold stocks and rare earth elements and all. Like, have you gone over to the stadium yet?
Yeah, check it out.
Stadium.
Yeah, we're moving out here. We live in the Bay Area now. We're looking at houses actually right now.
Right now?
Houses over there. Yeah.
All right. Good luck, man. Hope you find something.
Yeah, thank you.
You got it, buddy. Yeah. Hey, this stuff is live, man. We don't. You know, it is what it is, my friends. But, my friends, when we did our rare earth element section, sorry about that, but it is what it is, my friends. We did rare earths, right? One of the rare earth companies that we talked about for a minute there was Texas Mineral Resources, because Texas Mineral Resources was a company that was on the move, my friends. And there are two rare earth videos that I want you guys to review. There's part 1 and part 2 where I list the companies. They're rare earth video specials where I list the companies, and I'll try and have them here for you, my friends. But Texas Mineral Resources has done something really good. Let me read the headline for you. And this was yesterday. USA Rare Earth successfully completes phase 1 rare earth separation and processing test work. So what they had to do, my friends, is results provide baseline for the pilot plant operation at USA Rare Earths facility in Wheaton Ridge, Colorado, my friends. The object here, the goal here, my friends, is to restore a 100% US-based rare earth supply chain. Yes, the Chinese are cutting us off. We know what's going on. We know that because of COVID-19, Donald Trump really has a right to be upset with the Chinese. And he's very, very upset right now with the Chinese, my friends. So he wants to move, especially when we're dependent on, we got to go beg them for rare earth. We need these rare earths, my friends. I like cell phones, my friends. I like computers. I like the information age that we live in right now. And we don't want to go back to the buggy, bug and we don't want to go back to the horsey days, my friends. No, we don't want to do that, my friends. But I do want you to as we wait for, you know, Canopy earnings, Tilt earnings and stuff, we have these up days and down days in the marijuana stocks, up days and down days with our crypto stocks, up days and down days with our gold and silver stocks, my friends. That's just the way it is. That's the way things happen. You know, the stock market goes up, the stock market goes down. But I do want you to review some of those because I name all these rare earth elements. They're becoming big time right now. Big time, my friends. I'm talking about Texas Mineral Resources at 25 cents. It's going to be one of our leading baby knockouts as the cars go by when it comes to rare earth elements, my friends. My friends, with that said, once again, PayPal donation, thank you very, very much, Megan, and thank you very, very much, Richard. We really appreciate you, my friends. Also, I got caught up in, I gave a friend a compliment. I gave Bill, the mining show. Say, Bill, you did a great show, man. We like, you know, one of your stocks. We really like it on the scoop. It's a silver play, right? The silver play that we're in, right? So we really like it. And somehow a bot just ate me up, man, and I didn't really know what was going on. And I had all these things and all these people and all this stuff going on, my friends. You guys know I'm new to this. I'm a new guy on the block, man. I'm not the guy that's been doing this all their life. Like one guy told me, he was born doing this. Anyway, show's not doing well. But anyway, my friends, those guys I mentioned on the live show, the guys in Canada that started all this stuff here, that are pioneers, those are credible guys, you know. And now I'm in America. I'm the one in America that's doing this thing. Like I said, my friends, boots on the ground. We're getting there. Texas Mineral Resources, TMRC on the over-the-counter. That stock right now, my friends, has the possibility of being a baby knockout. You know, our baby knockouts are usually under 25 cents. Generally, they have the ability to knock out the competition and be number one in that area. This particular baby knockout, Texas Mineral Resources, is one, my friends, for the record books, I believe. As long as things keep going the way they are right now and Trump says, hey, this is the way it's going to go, that's the way it is, my friends. But that's it. I hope to get also, my friends, if MedMen, I've promised a few people over there, if they have a good earnings report coming out today, tomorrow, they have a good earnings report, my friends, I hope to pay them a visit at MedMen because they seem like they're on the rise right now. Look at some of those MedMen videos. Look at our playlist, my friends. We've been at MedMen's all over the country, my friends. And that was, at one point in time, that was one of our leading baby knockouts. But now, they've fallen on hard times. So we'll see, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Like I said, 108 degrees. Guys are racing. I'm on, oh my goodness, if this is what's gonna, I'm on, this is called Las Vegas Raider Boulevard, I think is what they're calling this. Guys are racing on this joint, man. Wow, dudes, look at those dudes. Don't lose it, man. Woo! Burning out, man. Anyway, love you, God bless you, take care of you and your family, guys. Have a great, great trading week.